personal trainer here in Charlottesville for 20 years, and I'm very happy now to be working as a volunteer over here at the center. We'd like to show you right now the Lats Pulldown, which is a name that's on the back of the machine. You can always see the names of these machines if you look at the back. The purpose of this is for you to pull down, and again, to remind you of the weights. When the weights are all out, there is no resistance, so you start with 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever number you wish. Each one adds more resistance, and you determine and write down the final number, and that's what you set next time. So as you approach the machine, you can hold it, you can first balance or whatever, anywhere you wish. You sit down, your legs are underneath these pads, and you're reaching up, and you may have to reach up. If you're shorter, you may have to start here and sit down, and then begin the exercise. Then coming down, don't let it touch. You see one end of touching of the weight would be here. We don't want them to touch. We want constant resistance for all 12 to 15 repetitions. Hopefully you'll do 2 sets with at least a minute or much more time in between. Notice that the purpose of this is not just to work the biceps, as you might see here, but to work the muscle of the upper back, the lats. So you want to lean into this and pull down slowly, extend all the way up, pull down, extend up. So lean forward. That's a good position for starting. When you're finished, you let go, or you hold on to it until you're able to stand. We don't want you to let go of this and have it bang into the stable center.